If you're looking for the best way to access ChatGPT, Gemini, and hundreds of other cutting-edge AI tools, you're in the right place. All you've got to do is scan the QR code right here or check the link down in the description. The MuleRun registration bonus is already applied, meaning you'll get an instant 300 credits when you sign up, and you're going to see the most current and cheapest prices for their Plus plan. MuleRun structures its plans really simply. They have a monthly and a discounted yearly subscription. The longer the subscription, the lower the overall price. I recommend the yearly plan because you get that 20% off discount, making it just $15.90 a month, saving you significant money over the year. There's also the option for daily trials on many agents, so you can test them out worry-free. But let's break down the MuleRun Plus pricing and quickly discuss what you can expect. Now, the standard registration gives you the 300 credits to test the platform. This isn't anything to scoff at, though. It's the best way to sample this massive library. But the real value is in the Plus plan. This is where you get full, unlimited access to over 350 plus AI agents. This isn't just access to the hottest large language models like ChatGPT, Gemini, Nano Banana, and Manus. It's access to a whole ecosystem. This is stuff like having all your prompts, histories, and different AI personalities organized in one place. MuleRun makes accessing the power of AI incredibly smooth. They have tons of agents spanning a lot of categories, from coding and content creation to deep learning. And this makes generating complex responses, drafting articles, and general productivity a truly smooth experience. Now, best of all, the Plus plan gives you 2,000 monthly credits and allows you to run 5 concurrent AI agents at one time, meaning you can have ChatGPT summarizing a document while Gemini drafts an email, all under one roof. Remember, getting the MuleRun sign-up bonus has never been easier. Just click the link down in the description. However, moving to the Plus plan, you get a lot more power and capacity for your projects. The Plus plan is my favorite considering the excellent price to value. With it, you get the ability to leverage multiple models simultaneously, which is essentially like having a whole AI team at your fingertips. This version works automatically across all your devices via the web app. It keeps track of your credit usage and lets you switch between models instantly without ever logging out. Alongside this, the single membership streamlines your billing. Instead of paying 5 different subscriptions, you pay one fixed price for a wide variety of tools. It's an excellent tool for professionals, students, or casual users with accessible, powerful apps, making storing, managing, and safeguarding your AI productivity convenient. That's not everything. The Plus plan gives you more credits and more concurrent agents, making it ideal for users that want extra capacity for large projects or for running side hustles that rely heavily on AI generation. If all that isn't enough, remember, you get those 300 free credits just for signing up through the link below. That's the MuleRun plans in a nutshell. As I mentioned, you're going to get the best price and the instant credit bonus using my link for MuleRun. Thanks for watching. See you soon.